How to build a branded client portal with Softr and Monday.com. Ever wish your clients could access the data they need from Monday.com without logging in or jumping between boards? The challenge? Your clients need visibility into projects, invoices, and updates. But giving them direct access means more users, confusion, and zero control over branding. That's where Softr comes in. By integrating Softr with Monday.com, you can create a fully branded, secure client portal, giving clients access to exactly what they need and nothing more. Let me show you how we did this for one of our clients. Our client is a book distributor who manages inventory, orders, invoices, and client communication all inside of Monday.com. Instead of giving their clients logging access to multiple boards, we built a centralized client portal using Softr. Now the client can view project and product data, check and download outstanding invoices, read the latest announcements, filter, search, and export data all within one place. Here are a couple benefits of using Softr. Scalability without extra viewer seats, fully branded control to match your company identity, secure, selective access. Clients only see what they need. A modern client experience that feels like magic. Ready to transform your client experience with a fully branded Monday.com portal? Book a free discovery call with me below, and let's build something amazing together.